Hey everyone, welcome back to the start of fourth quarter. I hope you had a very restful and relaxing spring break. It is going to be fast and furious now for us because we officially end this class on May 5th. So we have about 1 month left. If we look at the calendar, you're going to see a couple of things starting up this week. So if you did not grab the chapter 12 packet yet, you're going to notice here these next 3 days that are scheduled is section 12.1. That is all that we're going to do for chapter 12. I am cutting section 12.2 and any final assessments for that. So it is very important that you do this learning. The AP board will test you on this section. Typically 12.2, they do not test you on, so I was very comfortable eliminating that. Now, the deadline for this work, super quick, it's Friday. By end of day on Friday, by 3 p.m., all of section 12.1 needs to be done. It's very doable. You have a week to do it. Typically, I would spend 2 class periods at the most on that one. So that'll just be great. Now, we're going to start the review because if you're going to notice here, day one, I'm going to go back here for a second, and you're going to see here there's a 18-day review. When I click in here, and I'll give you more details next week, you're going to see me walking through an 18-day review. I'm going to talk about some deadlines. You're going to see different topics here. We're going to review the 4 topics that were covered. The explanatory data, we're going to spend days 4 and 6. 7 and 9, we do designing the study. 10 to 14 is probability. And then 15 to 18 is statistical inferences. That's all 12 chapters. Now, that's 18 days, but you may wonder, where are day 1, 2, and 3? Day 1, 2, and 3, what I have you do is a diagnostic test. So in this folder is where you're going to start doing this. And Friday is when this is scheduled to be done. And the reason I want to talk about this now is because this review is graded on participation and not accuracy. If you meet the deadlines for all the scheduled work, no matter how you do, you will get 100%. So I'll be honest with you, with exception to section 12.1, there's no reason everyone in here should not get 100% on the work for fourth quarter. So it's really kind of an easy A if you sit here and do the work. Now let me show you though, on that deadline again, if I look at the schedule, Friday right here, what you see scheduled is day 1 is a diagnostic multiple choice exam. What I'm going to have you do is you're going to end up going into the folder for day 18, go to day 1 through 3. The diagnostic exam, you're going to have 90 minutes to do the actual exam from 2014. Get out your note packet, get out your calculator. Okay, that's all you would use. I do not care if you butcher this or if you ace it. This is for you to get what does it really feel like. Now, what I would recommend is if you have time this coming weekend on the 9th or the 10th, to maybe block off a 90-minute section then and maybe do it on Saturday or Sunday. The deadline for this, I don't have it quite in here yet. I believe it's going to be like Wednesday. So I will get the official deadline for you. But what's going to happen again, day 1 is going to be the free response practice. Day 2 is scheduled for that Monday. It's the free response practice, sorry. And then day 3, you're going to analyze your results. There will be a deadline for day 1, 2, and 3 to get it done by. Again, it's either going to be by the 13th or the 14th. I have not set that quite yet. So over this weekend, though, what I highly recommend is taking that diagnostic. So what you would do is you would click into here. Again, diagnostic exam is days 1, 2, and 3. And it is right here. So get out a piece of scratch paper. It's going to be 40 multiple choice questions. The timer is going to be set at 90 minutes. As you take this, get the gauge, the feel of what the 90 minutes feels like. Are you able to finish the 40 questions? What kind of stressors are you feeling? Do your best. And again, it doesn't matter if you don't do well. This is for you to kind of set a baseline to see, what do I know as I start this review? If you're coming out of this multiple choice test in the topics for, which was topic 2, which was designing a study, which was chapter 4, if you've gotten all those questions right, you're probably ready for topic 2 and don't need to study a lot. Are you struggling more with chapters 5, 6, and 7 on probability, which is topic 3? If so, that's probably the ones that you want to study more. So we're going to use this to help you diagnose what exactly and where should you be putting your focus on for this review. So I can help you get that passing score of a 3, 4, or a 5. So have at it. I will tell you this, by the way, that review packet for the 18-day review is the thickest review packet I've ever made. It's huge. It's meant to be a study guide. I have lots of resources in there, lots of references. Please pick up this packet. It's printed out in my room already. So I have the 18-day review printed out, and I also do have the chapter 12 review. So also come in and grab that if you need that for section 12.1 learning. Other than that, welcome back, and we're starting it. So one more month to go and we are done. See ya.